Do you often feel like you're constantly running on fumes, caught in a never-ending cycle of stress and exhaustion? It's a common modern struggle, a persistent hum of fatigue that can feel impossible to shake. This isn't just about feeling mentally tired, it's a deep-seated physical response to the relentless demands of our daily lives. You might be experiencing the invisible burden of chronic stress, subtly impacting every system in your body. When stress hits, your body's adrenal glands kick into high gear, releasing a flood of cortisol, our primary stress hormone. While crucial for immediate threats, chronic elevation of cortisol has severe repercussions. It's like your body is constantly in a fight-or-flight mode, leading to systemic inflammation and a host of other health issues. This constant state of elevated cortisol takes a heavy toll, especially on your immune system. Chronic stress has been shown to weaken your body's natural defenses, making you more susceptible to infections and slowing down recovery. Your immune cells become sluggish, struggling to identify and combat invaders, leaving you vulnerable. But what if the answer to reclaiming your calm, strengthening your defenses, and finding a natural path to well-being was right within your reach? For centuries, in Ayurvedic tradition, one herb has been revered as the queen of herbs and the elixir of life, Holy Basil, known as Tulsi. This powerful plant holds an incredible promise for modern health struggles. Tulsi is a renowned adaptogen, meaning it helps your body adapt to and resist various stressors, be they physical, chemical, or emotional. Its magic lies in a complex array of bioactive compounds, including eugenol, rosmarinic acid, and ursolic acid, which work synergistically. These compounds help regulate your body's central stress response system, the HPA axis, promoting a state of calm and balance. Modern science is now catching up to ancient wisdom, validating Tulsi's impressive stress-reducing capabilities. Studies have shown that holy basil extract can significantly reduce cortisol levels, with some research indicating a reduction of up to 36% in adults experiencing stress. This isn't just about feeling better, it's about measurable physiological change, improving sleep quality, and managing blood pressure. Beyond stress, Tulsi is a powerhouse for your immune system, acting as an immunomodulator that enhances immune cell activity and protects against infections. Its potent antioxidant properties combat oxidative stress, while its anti-inflammatory effects help quell systemic inflammation throughout the body. Research also suggests Tulsi can positively impact metabolic health, helping to regulate blood sugar, improve cholesterol, and stabilize blood pressure. The best part? You can cultivate this ancient wisdom right in your own home, regardless of your gardening experience. A Holy Basil window garden provides a continuous supply of fresh leaves, allowing you to tap into its benefits daily. Tulsi is relatively easy to grow indoors, thriving with adequate sunlight and consistent care, making it a perfect green companion for your wellness journey. Once your Tulsi flourishes, transforming it into a medicinal Kadha or herbal tea is simple and deeply rewarding. This traditional Ayurvedic decoction typically involves simmering fresh Tulsi leaves with a few other powerful ingredients like grated ginger and black pepper in water. It's a centuries-old remedy known for its immune-supporting and congestion-clearing properties, especially during colder months. Incorporating this simple ritual into your daily life can be transformative. Sip your warm Tulsi Kadha in the morning to start your day with clarity, or in the evening to unwind and promote restful sleep. For maximum absorption, enjoy it consistently. Listen to your body and make it a mindful moment of self-care, allowing the soothing properties of holy basil to deeply nourish you. From a small seed to a potent healer, your Holy Basil window garden is more than just a plant, it's a living pharmacy, a daily reminder of nature's profound ability to restore balance. By embracing the wisdom of Tulsi, you're not just growing an herb, you're cultivating resilience, fostering a stronger immune system, and nurturing a calmer, more focused you. Start your Holy Basil journey today and transform your home into a sanctuary of wellness.